tree, 木、木。Please repeat after me. 木。Good. Grass, 草、草。Please repeat after me. 草。Good. Sky, 空、空。Please repeat after me. 空。Good. Cloud, 雲、雲。Please repeat after me. 雲。Good. Sea, 海、海。Please repeat after me. 海。Good. Mountain, 山、山。Please repeat after me. 山。Good. Forest, 森、森。Please repeat after me. 森。Good. Flower, 花、花。Please repeat after me. 花。Good. Valley, 谷、谷。Please repeat after me. 谷。Good. Stone, 石、石。Please repeat after me. 石。Good. Review, Japanese nature word. Tree, 木。Grass, 草。Sky, 空。Cloud, 雲。Sea, 海。Mountain, 山。Forest, 森。Flower, 花。Valley, 谷。Stone, 石。Great! Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which one means mountain in Japanese? A. 森 B. 山 C. 花 The answer is B. 山 Number 2. Which one means sky in Japanese? A. 空 B. 雲 C. 木 The answer is A. 空 Number 3. Which one means flower in Japanese? A. 石 B. 花 C. 草 The answer is B. 花 Flower names in Japanese. Iris あやめあやめあやめ Cherry blossom 桜桜桜 Chrysanthemum 菊菊菊 hydrangea, アジサイ、アジサイ、アジサイ。モーニンググローリー、朝顔、朝顔、朝顔。ダンデライオン、タンポポ、タンポポ、タンポポ。ウィステリア、富士、富士、富士。サンフラワー、ひまわり、ひまわり、ひまわり。カメリア、つばき、つばき、つばき。リリー、ゆり、ゆり、ゆり。ダフォディル、水仙、水仙、水仙。ローズ、バラ、バラ、バラ。ウォーターリリー、睡蓮、睡蓮、睡蓮。フラワー、花、花、花。Let's do a quiz. Number 1. What's this in Japanese? アジサイ。Number 2. What's this in Japanese? 菊。Number 3. What's this in Japanese? 桜。Well done! Thank you for watching. If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. See you next video!